The ramp will be off the ramp.
Watch this officer chase a suspicious vehicle through tight streets. What starts as a simple traffic stop suddenly turns dangerous. The officer radios the description and checks the plate. The driver refuses to pull over, and the chase gets more intense.
Next right, follow it up. I have the vehicle. Hold on, he's turning around. He's turning around. He's going to be facing your way. Officer's coming up that ramp. He's facing your way. He's coming down the ramp towards the officer. He's turning around. He's going to be facing your way. Officer's coming up that ramp. He's facing your way. He's coming down the ramp towards the officer.
Hey, rescue team on the side, get that dude out!
Let's continue to move the vehicle. Let's keep reversing. Attempting to turn the vehicle.
Get that dude out!
Just continue to move the vehicle, reversing. Suspect is ramming the... He's coming forward. He's ramming the police cars. Suspect is ramming the police car. He's southbound on Edenhurst.
Notice how the suspect keeps switching lanes, trying to escape. The officer stays focused, preparing for anything.
Suspect is ramming the police car. Turn around. He's turning around. He's going to be facing your way. Officer's coming up that ramp. He's facing your way. He's coming down the ramp towards the officer. He's ramming. Hold on, he's turning around. He's turning around. He's going to be facing your way. Officer's coming up that ramp. He's facing your way.
The vehicle slows down for a moment. The officer is ready, and this could be the turning point.
Hey, get on the fucking ground! Shots fired! Answer these help! Shots fired! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Hold on, he's turning around. He's turning around. He's going to be facing your way. Officer's coming up that ramp. He's facing your way. Coming down the ramp towards the officer. Thanks for the help call.
I'm alright, I'm alright!
Things are about to get serious. The officer closes in, and that's when everything changes.
If you start up again, you're primary. Hey, Butler, if he starts to go, Guzman, Hey, Sarge! I got you! Holy shit! Some less lethal now! Grabs. Hey! Fraser! Fraser! Give me eye cover! Hey! Over on this side. One shooter, one less lethal.
Okay, Santiago, get off on the L ramp and make a lap.
Ah! Ah!
gotta get you some medical help, man. I got his arm. Got his arm. Hey, somebody grab his leg. Yep. I got his arm. All right, let's handcuff him.
No!
Yep.
Don't use that! Use the cup!
Okay, handcuffs. Okay, handcuffs.
He's coming down.
Imagine getting stopped by police for something simple, and then suddenly everything goes terribly wrong. Watch closely. This officer finds something nobody expected, and what happens next shocks everyone.
Just south of Capitol. All right, come on. Right here, right on the ground. Here, I got you.
We're just north of Vienna.
Let's take a look at you.
Just north of Vienna on the freeway by the pedestrian bridge.
Do me a favor. Yeah. Lay down. Nice and easy. Lay down. Lay your head back. How old are you?
Occupants are out of the vehicle. Vehicle's clear. Looks like we got 3 shots.
17? All right, your breathing sounds good. How's your breathing feel? Yeah, you're going to be good, okay?
I'm sorry, you said all occupants are in the vehicle and 3 shots?
First, it looks like just a routine stop. The driver seems calm, acting innocent, but there's something off. Watch how the officer starts noticing the small details. Something isn't adding up.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Stop! Get out of the car! Get
Hands up!
Get on the ground! Hands! Shots fired! Send us more cars! Everybody get out of the car! Keep your hands where we can see them!
Keep your hands up!
Shield! Somebody grab the shield! Stop the vehicle! Stay on the ground! Get on the ground! Stop the car! Get on the car! Get on the fucking...
Tension slowly increases. The officer asks a few more questions, and suddenly the driver's body language changes. He gets nervous, avoids eye contact, and that's when the officer starts suspecting that something is being hidden.
Get on the fucking car! Hands up! Hands up! Stick! Get on the ground!
3-2-3-3, shots fired.
Hands! Shots fired! Send us more cars! Everybody get out of the car! Keep your hands where we can see them! Keep your hands up! Shield! Somebody grab the shield! Nobody move!
3233.
It's locked. 3233. Officer involved. All officers are okay. Occupants still in the vehicle. Send us additional squads. At the gunpoint. We're approximately a quarter mile north of Keith.
Unlock the doors if you can!
825.
Unlock the doors! All right, passenger!
This is where things escalate. The officer searches the car and finds something that completely flips this situation. You'll see exactly why this went from a simple stop to a full arrest.
Passenger, listen to me carefully. Keep your hands up. Face away from me. Face away from me.
3190.
Show us your hands. Stand up. Hey, my guy, stand up. Keep your hands up. Back up towards the sound of my voice. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Keep coming. Stop right there. Hold on.
One in custody right now. All right, stay right here. Sit down.
Come on, let's go. Come on, hurry up.
In just minutes, this situation turned into a serious case. The more you watch body cam footage like this, the more you realize every small clue matters. What do you think should have happened here? Comment below.
Stay with him. I haven't searched him yet.
All right, come to me.
I don't even know this. Stay in the car.
Oh my God, what is that?
Do you have any weapons on you?
No, next.
Take the next one. All right.
Get out of the car.